my popcorn. Oh, we started! Enough of that nonsense.
I thought we were having fun.
No.
Right, what are we doing today, Miss?
We are making
Welcome back to 5 Days of Christmas.
Popcorn.
Yes, we are doing caramel popcorn. We love making handmade gifts over Christmas, or you know, in the summer when we make things for the teachers or for friends. It's always nice to make something homemade. Yes. So we are making caramel popcorn because I think what you get in the shops is just not good enough. It's either it's not
It's
got
just
enough.
like factory.
No, it's just
Tastes like flavouring.
yeah, it's just not. All the popcorns are not evenly coated. They don't have enough caramel, which is
Some are salted, some are sweet.
Yeah, exactly. So, a really easy way to make them at home. I'm going to make a quick caramel sauce. The recipe is on the channel, but I'm going to show you again anyway. So, how much sugar?
We have 200 grams of sugar.
Yeah, just granulated sugar, and I'm going to cook it until it's nice and caramelly.
Let's go. It's best not to stir the sugar when it's boiling, so give the pan a good old shake every few seconds. We're adding 90 grams of unsalted butter. Whisk it well and keep the heat low. If it starts rising and bubbling, then take it off the heat. You're going to have to pour in 120 ml of double cream. Whisk this well and you will see a change in the mixture. Now they're having a party. Take a big pan and add in 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Before we add the whole kernels, we can test it out with just one.
Pop means it's ready. Quickly mix it all up and cover it up. Let it do its thing.
This is my favourite part. I love watching all the popcorn pop. The popcorn's cooked and it's warm. The caramel's done and it's warm. And we've halved the popcorn and we're going to put in the salted caramel, mix them well, and then put them into a tray.
Just get them in as like a flatter layer.
Can. Otherwise, some will be cooked and some won't be as cooked as the other ones.
She's right. I've got the oven hot at 180°, and I'm going to put this in for 15 minutes. It's going to be longer, but I'll first go put this in for 15 minutes and then I'll get back to it.
Put a timer on my phone. After 10 to 12 minutes, we have taken this out of the oven and just done that.
We're just kind of moving it around, and you can see that it is started to get a bit crispier, and because we've got a thin layer of popcorn, when I'm moving it around, they are all separated into single pieces. So that is going to go back in for another 12 minutes.
So this has been cooked for 10 to 12 minutes like last time, and we're fiddling around with it, and it's going to go back in the oven for the last time for 10 to 12 minutes again.
Finally.
After all this way, it is cooked and ready to eat.
So the key is that as soon as it's out of the oven for the 3rd time, so it's taken total of around 40 minutes to get crispy, don't immediately serve it. Give it a few seconds and then stir it, because if you leave it, it'll just get again stuck in one sheet. So if you stir it, it will come up in separate pieces, which is what we really want, and it's crunchy as hell. So just give it 5 minutes to cool down and then serve it.
Popcorn. Oh, I love this show.
There you go. Oh, aren't these good? So crunchy.
Worth the effort.
Guys, hope you'll give this a go. These are really good if you pack them in some little see-through bags, tie a ribbon as little presents. They are really good. They will last in an airtight box for 5 to 6 days if you don't eat it in one day. Hope you've enjoyed my 5 days of Christmas. Please let me know your thoughts on it. If there's anything else you want to see as a series, then please leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and do give this a go. Bye for now.
Bye. That was a good stunt. Did you see that?